friends, Shalini here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically a get ready with me. I'm going to meet some of my friends today, so I thought I should share this look with you guys. So if you know how to get this look, please keep on watching.
So guys, I'm starting off with my base makeup first. I am using these two foundation altogether because L'Oreal one is a shade darker than my skin tone and the MAC one is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. So I have mixed them all together to get the perfect skin tone of perfect color for my skin tone. So I have dotted all the foundation on my face and as well as on my neck, and I am spreading or blending it with my beauty blender. I am applying this foundation on my eyelid area also because for my eye makeup I am not using any eye primer, so I am using this foundation to work as an eye primer. After that I have used this MAC compact to set my eyelid area so that my eyes makeup will go very smoothly. So I am patting it on my eyelids, both of my eyelids. So the third thing I am using is this Avon A1 concealer, and I am applying this on under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead and my chin area, and little bit on my corners of my mouth because I have some pigmentation problem over there. Now I am blending it with the same beauty sponge. So I am applying this MAC compact powder all over my face to set my foundation so that my foundation does not budge or does not budge all day long. So for my eyes I am using this color here from my Savannah eye palette, and I am applying this color as my transition color with the help of this blending brush, and I am applying this color on my crease area. To darken up my crease a little more, I am using this brown color from the same palette, and I am applying this on my crease area to make it look little darker. From the same palette I am using this black color, and I am applying this on outer corner of my eyes with a dome shaped brush. I am applying this on outer V of my eyes. And now I am going to blend all the colors all together so that there will be no harsh lines. So the last and final color, I am using this pink color from my Lakme 925 palette, this pink one, because it matches with my dress. So I am applying this on my inner eyelid area, and I am applying 2-3 coats of this color to get the perfect or desired color. And now I am blending all the colors all together. For my eyeliner I am using this MAC skinny eyeliner, and I am applying this on my upper lash line, a very thin layer on my upper lash line. So for my eyebrows I am using this BH Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. So I am using a very small stroke to fill up the gaps of my eyebrows. So I am filling in the sparse areas of my eyebrows, and then I am going to set my eyebrows with this spoolie part of pencil of spoolie part. So I'm using this black color from the same palette, and I'm applying this on my lower lash line because I'm not using any kajal for this look. So I'm applying this on my lower lash line to get a kajal kind of look. I'm using same brown color also, which I have used on my crease area. So for my mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Lash Mascara and applying 2-3 coats on my upper as well as on my lower lash line. So for my bronzer, I'm using this Makeup Revolution kit and I'm bronzing a little bit my cheekbones. So I'm applying a very thin layer of this bronzer on my cheekbones as well as on my temples. So for my blush, I am using this my Mylon blush palette and I am using this beautiful pink color as my blush. I am applying a good amount of this pink color with the help of blush brush on both of my cheeks. For my highlighter, I am again using this Makeup Revolution palette and this highlight shade. I am applying this on highest point of my cheeks. As well as on my nose, bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin and little bit on my forehead. So for my lipstick, I am using this pink lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5 range and I am applying a very thin layer, or you can say only one layer on my lips because it is very creamy.
So guys, this is the final look which I have came up with. I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button or subscribe my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.